Now we are going to see the different type of onions which are normally used. Onions are basically of two types, green onions and dry onions. This is a type of green onion. These are called spring onions. They are early harvested onions. These are scallions. They are lately harvested than the spring onions. Now, as we can compare both of them, the spring onions, the bulb and the stem, they are almost the same. They are much more milder in taste than the scallions. In scallions, you can see the bulb is quite grown up than the stem and they are pungent than the spring onions. These are scallions. They are small in size. They belong to the garlic family but most oftenly used as onions. These are the regular onions or red onions which we use. Apart from this, we have white onions. They are much more milder than the red onions, and we do have leeks. They resemble to the scallions but they are much more milder and most oftenly used in the European cuisine.